Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today we're going to take a walk through of this 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX. So we're starting back here on the swim platform of the boat. You can see a nice large swim platform area. You do have some seating options back here for when the boat is underway and you're kind of enjoying that time down in the water. Easy access with the ladder in and out of the water. You can be hanging up here having a drink and your kids could be down in the water enjoying that time out there. All right, as we enter into the boat here, one of the best parts about this 19-footer is you do have this nice access here. No climbing over seats or anything like that. And then when I do step down, I'm very deep in the boat. It's great for kids and families, very safe. You know, Sea Ray really pays attention to those kind of details for that. As we're back here in the cockpit, nice seating area, all fully wrap around with this captain's chair right here. Great to enjoy a day out of the water with a lot of people. Up here at the helm station, we do have, easy access to the gauges, a fusion stereo, as well as a depth finder with your throttle controls. Everything is very easy for the captain and accessible. There's storage all over the boat. We got the ski locker under our feet here, under that infinity flooring as well, which is nice and comfortable. Moving forward, another large storage area under here, great for life jackets, the canvas for the boat, any fenders or dock lines or anything like that. As we head up into the bow, again, another nice seating area. As you can see, I'm 6'2". When I sit down, it's very high at my back, very comfortable, and again, very safe for your kids and your family while you're enjoying that time on the water. Thank you for taking that walkthrough of me with this 190 SPX. Again, we're here in MarineMax in Somers Point. If you'd like to come see us or schedule a private showing, you can call us at 609-926-0600. Thank you.